little fella. He probably just fell out of his nest. Oh, and oh, Mama Bird's here to watch his first steps. Wow, look at that. So cute. Ooh, a turtle. Hello, guy. Look at him. Uh-oh. Hello, little guy. Wow, nature's cool. Ew, I think he wet himself. Okay, well, that's gross. Oh, look. Hello down there. Oh. They're having a little secret meeting. Yeah? Little guy? Oh, it's a stick. Go get the stick. Oh, cool.
There was an occasional, oh, cool, or look at that. But there was no real conversation that took place. Addie pretended to nap on the bus.
Sometimes at 2 a.m. I like to go and check my mail. You usually gotta get security to let you in when you come in this late. Okay. People getting in there. Oh, look. Garrison. This house is filled with a bunch of crazy children. And we're making them do manual labor. Yep. Oh, there's Mark over there. Hitting something with a hammer. That's cool.